Hey guys, it's Kieran. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be my install review of my Gym Beauty hair. I did do an unboxing on it, which should be uploaded like either the video right before this one or like a few videos before. So go check that out. I did purchase 3 bundles of their curly hair in 14 inches. All 3 bundles are 14. I was going to do like a layered look like 14, 16, 18 or even 12, 14, 14, but I just decided to do them all in one length. So as I mentioned, I did order 3 bundles of curly hair. Clearly, if you look at my hair right now, it does not look like curly weave at all. Looks like body wave hair, I guess, in my opinion. So this hair, when I tried to bleach it, was a huge fail. I really had high hopes for this hair for some reason, but as you can see, it didn't work out for me. I mean, I got my color that I wanted to match my hair, but even then, while I was bleaching the hair, it was a little odd. So I did bleach this hair twice, and after the first time I bleached it, it was a little dark, so I'm like, okay, let me bleach it again. I bleached it again the second time, and for some reason, like the top half of the hair, the wefts, the bundles were like lighter, and then the ends were like a darker color. I'm kind of surprised it doesn't show up now in the hair color. It basically looks one color, which is good because the color it was before, after me bleaching it a second time, was kind of awkward, and yeah, it honestly wasn't gonna work. Luckily my hair is red, so I just put the red over it, and now it's like this even one-tone color. But if not, and you were going for like a blonde ombre, it definitely would not work for this hair. I think I have like a picture or a video of it, of what the hair looked like after I bleached it both times, and I'll insert that right here. So yeah, as you can see, the hair looked a two-tone mess. Luckily, again, I put the red over it, so it's looks way better. Yeah, that was one con of the hair that I did not like. The bleaching was uneven, looked weird. I don't know why the ends were so dark compared to like the top half. I don't know what that means with the hair, but I just did not like it, and I don't think I've really experienced that with any hair in the past before. Another con that I have for this hair so far is that the wave pattern like is gone. I did make a video of me doing a sew-in using this hair. When I showed, there was a part in the video where I showed you guys like how the bundles looked, and it looked kind of like deep wavy, curly, looked like it still had the curl pattern, but as soon as I ran a brush through it, it basically, the curls dropped basically. They were like almost straight. Kind of like a kinky straight kind of texture. Nothing curly or deep wavy at all, and I was just like, what the heck. Those are basically my 2 cons of this hair so far. I don't think the hair really dried out that bad after I bleached it twice, so luckily for that, and luckily I was able to kind of do something with this. Like I just said, once I brushed out those curls, it basically turned kind of straightish, so all I did was just continue brushing out the rest of the hair, and I just wand curled it. You can also achieve these curls by like doing flat iron curls. It's really nothing that special. I don't know. This hair was kind of a disappointment. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it about, I'm gonna give it a 6, only because, I mean, the hair, I was able to work with it, I guess, you know, if you're creative, but it's not what I wanted. I bought curly hair for a reason. And I know some of y'all are going to be like, oh, you bleached the hair, so it's going to lose its pattern. Yes, I've bleached a lot of curly hair in the past, but it still retained its curl pattern or just dropped slightly. Not like, you know, it lost the whole shape and curl pattern and all of that. So I don't know what Gym Beauty has going on. I do have the rest of the bundle, of the 3rd bundle in here. For this sew-in, for this style, I did use about 2 bundles and a quarter of the last one. I did bleach all of them before I installed it, and this is what it looks like. Let me kind of like fix it a bit so y'all can see like exactly what I'm talking about. It does look like it has a curl pattern, but once you brush it out, put your fingers through it, it is completely gone. So this is the curl pattern. Looks, honestly, looks even less curly than last time. And as you can see, I'm just pulling it and it's like straightening out. Like, do you see this? Like, it was just like fluffy before curly, but yeah. Like, the roots have a little bit of a pattern, I noticed, but the ends, they like straighten out basically. And I mean, you can like flat iron the hair and it will probably mimic your real hair, but you know, if I wanted that kind of hairstyle, I would have bought that kind of hair. Yeah, basically I give this hair a 6. It's not dry or anything, but I think with me using heat on it, having to use heat to wand curl it and whatever, it will start to dry out. But I'm not going to use that much heat. I'm just going to try to do flexi rods and see how they turn out. Hopefully it does hold a curl. And if it doesn't, I'm just going to have to use heat and I guess mess up the hair even more. But yeah. Tell me guys what you think about the hair so far. I will be doing a final review once I am getting ready to take this hair out. Yeah, I will leave the link down below if you guys still want to like try this hair out yourself. Maybe if you're leaving it in like the natural color and you have like darker hair, it will work better for you. Maybe it will retain the curl pattern, maybe not. I'm not quite sure. But with me bleaching it twice, yeah, there's no deep wave, no curly in this at all. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.